Hi guys, George Price here. We're going to continue with our MassPlanner setup, ad campaigns and such like that. The next step that we're going to do, guys, is we're going to enable Twitter and allow you guys to send using Twitter. So we'll go back to the Profile tab. Okay, and as I told you, you can do this with Pinterest as well. I don't use Pinterest, so I'll take you guys to Twitter for this one. Click Enable Twitter. Okay, and you get this prompt here where it says Twitter is now enabled. Please restart the application to use it. We'll click OK. Okay, then remember the control center down here. If it's not down there, guys, you click here, the little down arrow on your Windows 7 machine, and double click on the icon here for your control panel. Okay, and now we'll click Restart MassPlanner. Okay, MassPlanner will be restarted shortly. Okay, and once it restarts, we should have both our Twitter application, which you see coming up, okay, and the Facebook application. All right, so now everything is going to sync, guys. We're going to wait for it to sync. And once everything syncs, we'll go ahead and get logged into our Twitter accounts and start using MassPlanner with Twitter. Okay, we'll just wait a little bit more here, guys. Make sure everything is synced up okay. Let's make this one a little bigger here, actually. Okay. And it looks like everything is fine there, guys. So let's go ahead and open the Twitter. Okay. So here's what we have, guys. We'll blow this up, make it bigger for you guys. All right. So first things first, like you had before, I'll show you a little bit of description of the window that we have here. So you have Open Embedded Browser, which you had before with the Facebook area. You have your notifications area, okay, which will give you basically, okay, one second. And guys, another thing, as you add operations to this, or like, you know, Twitter, Pinterest, and such like that, understand that it will start to use more resources. Okay, so just understand that it will work really well, don't get me wrong, but it will use more resources. Okay, so notifications, once again, any errors or such like that that you'll get, they'll be listed here. Statistics, this will be basically from your ads that you're sending out, the total number of posts and such like that that you're doing per day. Change log, any changes that have been made with MassPlanner will be listed here. Okay, so we'll go back to the dashboard. Your profile window here, you'll basically have your information for Twitter. So like you had the information for Facebook on the other side, here you have the information for Twitter. Okay, guys, I haven't clicked on help because simply help is going to be a list of all of the groups in FAQ. And the group that we have, the MassPlanner group, that's listed in here as well, the community, but we help you guys a lot, okay? So yes, if you do need help, click here, but I just didn't list or mention it because we are helping you now. All right, so what we'll do next is we're back at the dashboard, okay? And now we need to log into our Twitter account. So we'll click here to open embedded browser. Okay, and then we'll click here to log into Twitter, which you'll see the Twitter page. So you log in with your username, which I'm going to log in with @gprice83. Okay, and my password. Okay, click sign in. Okay, and you see it's logged into your Twitter page. Once you're logged into your Twitter page, go ahead and click where it says confirm logged into Twitter. Okay, and once again, we'll just wait for everything to synchronize here. Okay, and guys, one thing I want to tell you, and I'm going to go through this actually here in a second. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can add multiple accounts. So you can have 2 Twitter accounts, you can have 2 Facebook accounts running at the same time, okay? I'll show you that here in a second, but I want to show you how to send your ad first, okay? So now that you have that set up, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click where it says Tweet Schedule, okay? And I'll show you these tabs here, should I say. So settings that you have here basically is to start publishing, which is just like on your other account for Facebook. You just start publishing once you've set things up. Randomized timers per day, that's just saying that it's going to post this amount of times, 5 times per day on Twitter, okay, whichever ad you put, and it'll just randomize the times for you. If you want to be a little advanced and you want to set the timers yourself, you can do that, okay, by clicking here and setting those timers there. I've been using the normal ones and they've been working fine, so I'll just leave them there. Signature, once again, you can add a signature, URL shortener, and you put your signature information here. Okay, click here where it says add tweet. Okay, and once again, guys, it's basically as simple as let's put in here comment. This is going to go out to Twitter, so we're going to say something pretty good here. So we'll say, hashtag and another thing, guys, if you notice, I'll do this, and after some time it will stop. And the reason why it'll stop is because it has the 140 character setting in place. So you only, that's up to 140 characters. Okay, if you add an image, which we can do as well, once we get the image in there, it'll also calculate that in. Okay, so we'll choose image here, and make sure that you're not sending too many, well, not too many, but just make sure that you're not sending, oh yeah, make sure that you're not sending and it's not, you know, going past the limit. So we'll do this here. Let's see how far it goes over. Okay, I guess it's mainly with the text that it stops it. Okay, so that may be something that we'll have tests, but hey, I found that out the other day and I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, so we got that, and then simply just click here where it says add tweet. Okay, and your tweet has gone out. Okay, once again, the settings are basically the same. Multiple text tweets, add tweets from your computer. This is something I haven't tested out yet. I think this is basically you can log into your accounts. Click here. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to test this out, guys, for saving images. So it seems like you can just log into your account and have it download the images for you and retweet them. So use the file. Use the file name as tweet text. Yeah, looks pretty cool. I'll have to check that out. As a matter of fact, let me click on one of them, Firefox Addon, and see what it looks like. Guys, I don't use Internet Explorer. It's just a default browser in this computer. I'm gonna have to change that here in a second. As a matter of fact, let me close this. Firefox, where are you? I'll make you my default browser. Sorry guys, this is a little bit different, I know. You guys are probably like, what the heck is this guy doing? Events, boom. Okay. Alright guys, if you guys didn't know how to do that, that was simply here, options, click advanced. This is in Firefox, and there is a box there to make it the default browser, okay? So now I'm going to go back to here, click on that again. And it should open up in Firefox. Okay, okay, and save images. So save images. Okay, we'll click here. Hey, as I learn, you guys learn, right? Restart Firefox now. Okay, add tweets from your computer. So we got that. We got that. Is it enabled? I don't see anything. Do you guys see anything? Start. Okay, if I don't get anything out this, guys, I'm not gonna do anything with it. Let's see. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm not sure exactly how that works, guys. I'll test that out and see what's going on with that, or maybe you guys can test it out yourself. All right, I just want to get you guys going here. So. Flickr tweets, sorry. That's basically, as I told you guys before, you can download your images from Flickr and such like that. Tweet list, okay, this is the tweet we just did. All right, here, where it says auto re-add tweet. Okay, you can't see it because the font is a little deal weird, but this is the same thing as we did before, which if you click allow at re-add pin, okay, when publishing, the campaign will create a copy of the tweet and then re-add it to the end of the tweet list. Okay, so this is to allow you to send multiple tweets during a day, so that you don't have to keep adding them. All right, so if you want to have like an advertisement or something like this, you can send it. Okay, history. Once again, once everything sends, it'll send you a brief history. Notification, it'll show you notifications. So we're going to go to tweet list here, and what I'm going to do is just go ahead and click on. You can click on it. All right, you have two options. If you have multiple tweets, you can randomize them. If not, you can click on here where it says host this selected item now. Boom, I'll do that. Okay, you'll see the tweet will be sent. Your tweet will soon be sent to Twitter. I go here to history. wait for it, and you see it looks like it's been sent out at 7:05, 26 notifications. So if we go to our dashboard, okay, remember that's where we can get to our embedded browser, I'm sorry, profile, to go to our embedded browser. We click here, open embedded browser. All right, look at that. It was just sent out, guys. You see it sent out here with the image. Okay, so that's how it works. All right, and that's it. Okay, guys, so that was sent on Twitter using MassPlanner. All right. So the next option I'm going to show you is auto follow pinners tool. Okay. So basically, guys, this is amazing. All right. So you can type in keywords that you want to search for. So since I work in network marketing, I'm going to type in network marketing. Okay. I'll also type in online marketing. I'll also type in entrepreneur. Okay, and I'll also type in work from home. Okay, and I'll also type in laptop lifestyle. Okay, and so the tool, here we go. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to start following people. Okay, so also extract user follows. Okay, basically what we're going to do here, that when the tool is active, okay, the auto follow tool will search for people and follow them. For every follow the operation, the tool will use a random keyword below. Okay, these random keywords I put in. Okay, from the Twitter search page, it will choose a few random persons, okay, to follow. Okay, the tool will wait between 30 and 240 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes, 240 minutes before each new follow operation. Okay, to keep you from getting, like people reporting you or what have you. Okay, okay, the tool will follow between 1 to 10 persons for each auto follow operation. So every 30 minutes or so, they're going to follow up to 10 people. You can make it more, but as I said, just leave it as is for now, okay? Also extract user followers. So I'm not sure exactly what that one means. Sometimes the wording for it is a bit weird, but I'll figure it out. So we're going to click here where it says activate auto follow people, okay? And it's starting. So what's going to happen is it's going to, okay, auto also extract user follows. Okay, sorry. So what it's extracting is basically going to be here. So it's going to extract the list of the people that it's following, and also the link where it got them from. Like if they have a link on Twitter, should I say, their link to them, the keyword, okay, whichever keyword it searched for to find them, the date, okay, and what actions have been made with that person. So once that's done, you can export it to a CSV, which this software is really, really cool. Okay, so that part is active. We're going to let that run. All right, and here we got, and also, I'm sorry guys, so it shows you the next operation will start at 10:47 p.m. So it's 7 o'clock now, so at 10:47 it's going to start doing this. Okay, awesome. I'm perfectly fine with that. Okay, and look at that, already it's gotten these people or these deals that it's going to do at 10:47, or actually it did one, sorry, and the next one is going to be at 10:47. So this is a total of 8. All right, so the actions, I can remove them, okay, or just leave it. Right, so here we go. Auto unfollow Twitter tool. Okay, so basically what this is, okay, when active, the auto unfollow tool will unfollow tweeters that do not follow your account. Oh, that makes sense. That makes really good sense. Okay, this affects only the Twitters from auto follow Twitter's list. Okay, so the list that we did earlier, if they don't follow you after a certain amount of time, it'll just unfollow them, which makes sense. Okay, and over time, if your lists are getting too big, or you're getting close to your 2,000 follower limit, then you may want to engage this tool. Okay, so the tool will unfollow Twitters after a minimum of 10 days. Okay, that is good. Okay, after the app followed them, so that makes sense. So 10 days after, a minimum of 10, it gives them 10 days to follow you back. All right, the tool will wait between 120 and 240 minutes before each new auto unfollow operation. Okay, so you got that. So an hour and a half, or a little bit hour and a half. Yeah, about an hour and a half, or not hour and a half, 2 hours. Okay, to 4 hours before each unfollow action. Okay, the tool will unfollow between 1 to 5 pinners for each unfollow operation. All right, and you can activate it here, and it'll show you results below. All right, so that's basically it with the Twitter function, guys. What I wanted to show you with Twitter and also with Facebook of MassPlanner It's here where it says primary. Okay, so let's make this a little bit more personable. So we'll click here where it says manage accounts. Okay, and as I told you, you can have 2 accounts. So first off, we're going to change this to the account that I'm using, which is gprice 883. Okay, and we'll click close. Right, and then sometimes it takes a little bit to refresh, guys. Don't worry. And I think it may have even taken I may have had to restart it or something. So we click add Twitter account. Okay, so you can have your second one. Okay, you cannot add new account, please. Okay, we'll just go that. Because I did this the other day and it worked, so I'm going to go back and see. Okay, so it brought me back here for what reason, but we're going to do this then since we're here. Okay, we're going to manage accounts here. Okay, this is back in the MassPlanner portion. So we'll do here, we'll say George. Okay, and then we'll click close. Okay, that updates automatically. Okay, then we go here again, manage accounts. Okay, add new account. Okay, and that's what it was. So you see you now have add account, you have account 2. And what you can do basically here is it will allow you to, this is account 2, you see everything is blank. So don't think you like, oh my gosh, what happened? It's just that you have your account 2, which is where you can open your embedded browser and log into another Facebook account that you may have, okay, and start building that one up. I have one other myself, just to show you how this works, guys. If I can remember the password. Remember the password for this, what was it? I think that's it. Let's see how good. Whoa, guys, I'm good. Okay. So with this account, it's the second account that I have, and you see here, I'll click where it says logged into Facebook. I don't have any thing loaded to it, so I'll just click confirm login to Facebook. Okay, and we'll go ahead and let it sync. And what I'll do for that is just after it gets logged in, you see it'll start syncing my pages. I don't think I have that many groups and such in that one either. As a matter of fact, to check and see how many groups you have, guys, once it gets logged in, you click here where it says create list. Okay, only 112. All right, so we'll just delete that. We'll do something with that later. Yeah. Okay, and then we go here, manage accounts. Okay, and for account 2, we go ahead and type in, what was this? Okay, this one, 883. Okay, and we just click close, and you see everything gets updated. So now we go here, 883. That's my other account with my campaigns. Okay. And then we go here below for Twitter, and Twitter should also allow me to have 2 accounts. If I go down here to manage accounts. Okay, you know what? I think this was the issue that I had the other day with this. So if I go back to manage accounts, okay, it shows that one. Add new account. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I guess I could not add the second account with this one. All right, but anyway, let me do this. Let me, hello. Let me restart this thing, guys, and get you back to your, to show you that this information is gonna change here, and that will be it with the Twitter portion. So let's go to the control panel, control center, sorry. Restart. Okay, we'll let it restart. Okay, and as you see, guys, it just takes like a few seconds, and it's pretty quick, you know, going back and forth like this. So it's going to get logged in. It's logged in there. You see gprice 883 up top. Okay, that's personalized for you guys. All right, and then we go down here to the Twitter portion, and you see Twitter portion has gprice 883, and it also has account 3. So that's what it is. You have to restart your account, guys. So once you restart, you go to account 3. You can name it whatever you want. However, you go here as just with the other one. You click on account 3, and you'll need to log into your other Twitter account. Okay. So guys, boom, there you go. Start mass planning. Talk to you next time. I'll come back to you and I'll go over the tools. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.